Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, now in previous lesson we have learned some things that are found in the garden. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always click the link and watch lesson 19. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. So we say what? I hope you do remember how to say what in Urdu. So when we ask a question, we say what? And in Urdu it is kya? Kya? Then we ask and say do you? And in Urdu it is kya aap? So in English it is do you? And in Urdu, kya aap? And then to like in Urdu is pasand. Like, pasand. Now let's repeat these words one more time. In English we say what, and in Urdu, kya. In English then we say do you, and in Urdu it is kya aap. Then we say to like in English, like, and in Urdu it is pasand. Repeat and memorize, okay? Okay. Now let's learn to say the color white in Urdu. In English, we say white, and in Urdu it is safed. Safed. Then, in English, we say rice. We eat rice, right? And in Urdu it is chawal. Chawal. Then in English we say snow. And in Urdu it is baraf. Baraf. There is one similar thing about these things. All of these things are white. So white in Urdu is safed. Okay, now let's repeat these words one more time. We say white in English, and in Urdu it is safed. Then in English we say rice, and in Urdu chawal. Then in English we say snow, and in Urdu it is baraf. Baraf. Repeat and practice. Okay? Now let's learn ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells positions. First, when you win from everyone, then you are first. And in Urdu it is pehla. Pehla. First. Pehla. First. Pehla. Then the second step, the thing that you do at number 2 is second. Second. In Urdu it is dusra. Dusra. Second. Dusra. These are called ordinal numbers. Let's repeat one more time. First, पहला. Second, दूसरा. Repeat and practice, alright? Now let's learn to say some sentences. Well, in English, we ask and say, do you like it? In Urdu, it is, क्या आपको ये पसंद है? Do you like it? क्या आपको ये पसंद है? In the reply of this question, we say, if we like it, of course, then we say, yes, I like it. In Urdu, it is, जी, मुझे ये पसंद है. Yes, I like it. जी, मुझे ये पसंद है. Or in case you don't like it, then you say, no, I don't like it. In Urdu, it is, नहीं, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. No, I don't like it. In Urdu, नहीं, मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. Alright, now repeat and practice more to remember it. Alright, now this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you again into the next lesson. Till then, repeat everything and revise it well. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.